Hello everybody, welcome in this video. We're going to be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to set up inside action automation for workflows within your sub account and connect to your Insightly platform, and more importantly execute actions directly from your workflow for your Insightly platform. Let's get started. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace, you search for the app Insightly. There you go, you click on it, you go at install, allow and install. There's an API key required in order to get the installation going. But before we go any further though, if you notice there is a smart queue here. If you click on it, it will show you how to get it. So we're going to switch to your Insightly platform in order to get it. It's pretty simple. You just come up here and you go at the user settings, scroll down, and you got the API key here. So you copy, switch back and paste, continue, we choose a plan, we confirm the plan, we complete the installation, and we get the uninstall. This means the tool is already connected to your Insightly platform, and now you're able to execute the actions directly from your workflow for your Insightly platform. So, guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video, don't forget to give some thumbs up. If you're new here, hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching.